It's your boy Trust My Levels. So I'm just gonna run through this real quick. So of course I'm trading Dow today. We're gonna be looking at all of them. We're gonna be looking at ES, definitely gonna be looking at Dow. Dow is on my list of high trades. Got Russell and NASDAQ. So they're all on there, and gold and a couple other things that we're looking at. So but right now I'm focused on Dow. And I'm really focused on Dow because from our Friday numbers, we are very close to our profit box again at 33,487 for Dow. And this morning, Canada released some news for their financial news. Caught a small move, just a little small push up on ES. Which was good. It was a good start for the day. It gets us close to our goal for the day. And then we move on to the next. And now we're waiting for market open here in 14 minutes. Oh, my bad. In 17 minutes. I do apologize. In 17 minutes here. And I'm definitely looking at Dow here. So I'm just looking up here at the top. I'm seeing that we're down negative 300 points on Dow, down negative 143 points on NASDAQ, and down 37 points from close yesterday, because of course, or maybe you didn't know, that futures market was open yesterday until 12. They had a 5-hour break and they reopened up again after that. So, yeah, we had a nice little push down in overnight sessions. So anything happen, I'm definitely looking for a small correction. And if it doesn't correct all the way, then hey, let's continue to drop. And you can see we're still close to, right now, we're at the weekly low, last week low, and yesterday's low. We bounced off of that and then pushed right back up just a little bit. So, and we're outside the value area on our volume profile over here. So, I'm looking for us to push back up into that value area, into that 33,649 area. But again, that's I was about to say that's a 200-point move, but on Dow, that's normal. Because on Friday or Thursday and Friday, we saw that thing drop $100, then push up $230, and then drop that same 230 back down to where we were in the beginning. So, hey, I cannot put anything past Dow, and that's why I love Dow. Don't let Dow fool you. Just because they pay $5 per tick, which is $1 move, don't let it fool you, because those $5 adds up, especially with a 200 tick / point move, because each tick for Dow is $1. So a $200 move with Dow times 5 gives you your $1,000 for the day. So, you just gotta catch something, even if you're on ES or you're on Russell, catch something, you know what I mean? So, but just check it out. Just check it out. So, and if you're having problems with Dow, come learn the fibs, send me a message, send me a DM so that we can get you on the Fibonacci cheat code. And then Dow becomes less of a beast. Okay. Because once of course, everybody was like, hey, we got ES, and then NASDAQ, what moves 3 times ES, and then Russell is a little bit slow back there, and they coming up. And then here comes Dow, which is an 8.25 times ES. So that movement is crazy. So it's an 8 times movement. And Russell is about a 2.1. I'm sorry, no, NASDAQ is about a 2.1 movement. So, yeah, just come learn these fibs, because we break stuff down so that it makes all these monsters seem easy. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So we're looking to see what's going on. Let's see if we break this low, this last week's low, and then let's see what happens. Because right now the SPX and ES fibs are going to be in the same area. They're either close to their profit box, or they're inside the profit box. One of the two. They're very close or inside, because if Dow is here right now, based on Friday, then ES should be very close to that also, because we were in the same difference on Friday. So we'll see what happens in the morning. But I'm definitely looking for us to push back up into these areas here because there's a lot of hesitation at 33,574, 33,575, and there's some hesitation here. There's a lot in this area between 33,650 and 33,717 that they can go up there and grab. And I'm looking at Bookmap, of course, my wonderful Bookmap. I'm seeing levels for ES down at 40.47. Of course, this is the right now before market opens level, 40.43. And these liquidity areas that are sitting there with passive orders just sitting there waiting to be taken. So down at 40.40, we definitely have a nice level. That's the largest one that we have right now, is down at 40.40. The largest single one is down at 40.40 for ES. So that's about a 10-point drop from where we are right now. So that'll put us down at negative 48 points down for ES if we get down through that. But we have a nice little, matter of fact, I'll bring this over here. We got a nice little window of orders to get through to get down to that 40.40. But of course, when the market opens, hey, it could run straight through those. I'm looking at Dow down here. I got it down at 33,500, which of course is very close to our 33,487. Look, if I'm $13 away on Dow from where, on my Fib, from where they actually place their orders, I'm good. This is, when I say the accuracy on Dow, $13, man, this thing moves $200. If you can get that down to a $13 range, let's get it. Because then it's probably going to bounce off of that area anyway, because this pushes through to a certain area. So, I mean, and they have some right here above that. Was it 33,491 is where they had a couple orders down there. So, hey, $3 away from these little liquidity areas, I think we're doing good. So the accuracy of these fibs, we've trying to tune them to get them straight. Let me see what Russell's doing over here. And then we have Russell, who is falling. So this is what I like to, start. Yeah, it's falling $2. But remember, Russell falling $2 translates to these other ones. When they catch up, it starts to fall also. So I might need to stop talking and go catch a trade real quick, because if they start falling through theirs, matter of fact, I might just put on one right now, just in case. I'm gonna enter let's see what that ES does and see if we can fall through that there down to 40.40. Yeah, we'll put that on there just in case we fall through. And I got a stop loss sitting up here, this 40.52 up here, so, or 40.51. We'll see. We'll see what happens with that, because if it falls through, it gets down at 40.40, we can start off this day with another 8 points, 8.5 points. That will be much appreciated, market. I definitely appreciate you. So let's get it. And if you got any questions, hit me up. I'm telling you, come and get into this Discord. I'm thinking about just making just a free room, but you're not going to get a lot of information in the free room. And there's just going to be people talking, a lot of noise. But just come get the fibs, and you get a trial with the fibs. Matter of fact, I'm thinking about doing like a 4-month, 5-month trial, especially if you're purchasing the fibs now. So might even give you a lifetime. Who knows? But let's get it. And I will talk to y'all later.